write 2 4, then 2 6, then 2 9. See 2 9. I can write 2 9. See 2 9. If I write 2 comma 9, then 2 minus 9, that will be what? Minus 7. Absolutely, it will be odd. So this belongs to our relation 2 comma 9. Then okay, you start from 3. Then I can write see 3 4. Okay, 3 4. See 3 4 means what? 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, that will be what? Odd. So I can write 3 4. Then so see 3 6. I can write 3 comma 6, because 3 difference is the 3 minus 6, that will be what? Minus 3. Once again it is odd, so it gives me odd numbers. So 3 6. Then see 3 6 4 3 9. Can I write 3 9? See, observe this 3 9. So 3 minus 9, that will be what? Minus 6. See, you cannot write. This one is even. So this 3 9 does not belong to our relation. We cannot write. So in this way, so we can write all the pairs which follow this property. Okay. See, after 3 6 3 9, so we begin with 5. See 5 4. I can write 5 4, because 5 minus 4, that will be 1. So that is odd. Then 5 after 5 4, I can write this one 5 6. See 5 minus 6, that is minus 1. So 5 6. See 5 minus 6 minus 1, that will be what? Odd. Then I cannot write, see, can I write 5 9? See 5 minus 9, that will be what? Minus 4. This is even, so I cannot write this. So only these pairs. Okay. So there are 7 okay, 7 pairs. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is roster form. See, this and this both are same. Only thing is, this is described in or written in set builder form. The same relation written in roster form. See, what is the relation between every ordered pair? See, what is the relation between elements of the ordered pair? The relation between this and this, this and this. Every, so all the 7 ordered pairs follow these rules or this relation. That's why it is called the relation, which is a subset of the Cartesian product. As I told earlier, how many pairs I have in A cross B? We had 12 ordered pairs. See, out of these 12 ordered pairs, we have taken how many ordered pairs? 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. 7 pairs. Okay, 7 pairs. So how many pairs left? 5 pairs left. So 7 pairs means 7 pairs follow this property. Other 5 pairs do not follow this property. So we have taken all the ordered pairs which follow this property. Okay. So in this way we can understand this relation. So here they have not asked you to write domain range, so we can write the domain range and codomain, all those things. So they have simply asked you to write the relation in the roster form. So we have converted that into roster form. So this is our fourth example. So let us consider another example here. Okay, example 5. Find the domain and range of the relation R defined by R is equal to x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So observe this, observe the question. I am considering next problem. So that is the, so can give the number here. See, find the domain and range of the relation defined by R is equal to, see, x. So what are the elements here? See, first member is x, second member is x plus 5 such that, see, x belongs to, so what are the values we can give for x? So we can give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, what is the last value? 5. So we can give x is equal to 5. Okay, we have to write the domain and range. So of course here question is, see, given relation is in which form? Set builder form. So we have to write that in the roster form. So before writing the domain and range, we have to convert the given relation into roster form. So let us, okay, given relation. What is the given relation? So that is in the problem here. So I will write the same thing here. X plus 5 such that x belongs to, say, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the given. So here, let me take up this. Okay, I will go and give the values for x. See, if x is equal to 0, then see, x, see here, x plus 5. So what is the pair here? See, this is, we always think that first member as x and second member as y. Okay, this is the first member and this is the second member. See, if I give x is equal to 0, so what will be the pair here? See, x is equal to 0, then 0 plus 5, what is this? See, 0 plus 5, 5 only. Okay, so 5 more than the first element. See, x comma x plus 5 means, so x, then 5 more than x, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. Then, so if I give x is equal to 1, then my pair will be what? See, 1, see, 1 plus 5, what is 1 plus 5? That is 6. Then if x is equal to 2, then, so x is 2, 2 means 2 plus 5, that is what? 7. Then let me give x is equal to 4, so I can take 4 also. So then this, see, 4, okay, x is equal to 3. So if I give 3, then 3, okay, 3, then 3 plus 5, this is 8. Then if x is equal to, see, next value 4, then, so if I give 4 here, see, 4, and 4 plus 5, what is this? 9, 4 comma 9. Then let me give the last value. If x is equal to 5, then I have, see, 5 plus 5, what is this? 10. So 5, 10. See, I got all the ordered questions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 6 ordered questions. Therefore, my relation will be, what is the first pair? See, 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5, 10. See, this is roster form. Problem is over. Okay, this is roster form. So they have given in set builder form. We have converted the relation into roster form. Then we can write the domain and range. See, domain means, see, domain of the relation, DOMAIN, or we can write D and a suffix. This is called domain of the relation. Otherwise, we can simply write D equals. Okay. See, domain of the relation is, so what are the first elements here? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, observe here, this is the domain. Domain means what are the values of x we have given, that itself is the domain. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the domain here. And then range of the relation. So they've asked this one also. So range. Range means set of second elements of the order 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, this is range of the relation. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this completes our fifth problem.